They challenged me to do something unique with a kilo of cassava. I cleaned it, peeled it eagerly, cut it, but first washed it well, removing that unnecessary inner root. I put it in the pot, covered it with water, and added a teaspoon of salt. Just a touch to enhance the flavor. I covered the pot and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. It ended up so soft it melted at touch, like hugging a long-lost friend. Next step, grating 150 grams of mozzarella cheese. No mystery here, just use your favorite kind. Of course, I finely chopped a bunch of cilantro for that perfect flavor kick. Chopping with care, I set it aside for later use. After that little moment, the cassava was ready. I drained it, though you could use that water for your plants. I got to work. I mashed it well, patiently, until it became a smooth, creamy puree. Tell me, is this your first time seeing one of my recipes? If so, I'd love to know. Now comes the fun part. I added 90 g melted butter, an egg, grated cheese, chopped cilantro, 2 TBSP cornstarch, salt and pepper to taste. I mixed it all up enthusiastically. As I did that, I wondered, who's watching this recipe today? Where are you watching from? I'm always curious, so let me know. Today's shout-out goes to Amarilis Alvarez from Spain, Juan Luis Rodriguez from Costa Rica, and Melissa Rojo from Chile. Thanks for always tuning in, my beautiful people. Rate this recipe from 1 to 10. I want to know what you think. Once it was well mixed, like I was prepping for a feast, I divided it into 4 parts. Buddy, this yuca recipe is perfect for any meal, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I devoured it and can't wait for you to try it too. I made sticks, then cut them into pieces about 1.5 inches long. For extra flair, I used a fork to create a nice pattern, giving them a special touch. If you've made it this far, you can already tell how amazing this recipe will be. Try it at home and let me know how it turns out. Then I heated oil in a pan and browned the sticks for 5-6 minutes on each side. Try air frying too for a lighter, healthier option. Both ways are great. Once golden and crispy, I drained them on paper towels to remove excess oil.